Hello everyone, this is Ron Perriello at Lancelot Video. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to use green screen effects, or in other words, it's called chroma key. First thing we do is go into visual effects. We won't talk about drop shadow, border, or colorize. We want to go ahead and do remove color. But before we do that, we want to make sure that this color here in the middle under project settings is going to be white. That is the best color for when you do a green screen. You also want to make sure that the dimensions are correct. In my case, it's 1080 by 1920 by 1080. Go ahead and click the bottom icon here and click white, and then click apply. And of course, before we begin all this, we want to make sure that your lighting is correct, but that could be a different episode or tutorial. But right now we'll go into media, import media, and click on myself behind a green screen, and we'll pull it right into the middle here. So as you can see, this is green. This is what we want to remove. So we go to visual effects, we click on remove color, we bring it over, so as you can see, now that I've dragged in the remove color, there is a new window here. So what we want to do here is go to color, click on this bottom icon, go to the dropper. So once we have this icon, we go ahead and click the left button. As you can see, this is a great solid white. Up here is a little bit of a green. We could fix that, but simply by working on these faders here, tolerance, softness, and hue. So once we go ahead and use tolerance, boom, as you can see, it corrects the green coloring that was on the top left. Also, if you look around the edges here, there's some green here on the chair, so we can use the tolerance once again to fix that as well. Okay, so we're almost halfway there. Go into library. We're going to go ahead and pick a motion background. We'll do these flying TVs. Go down here on track. We'll pull up the green, my green background to track 2. Go to track 1. Voila. So this is the technique how to remove the green screen effects. Very simple. Obviously the chair is still in there, but we can have that removed whether in Photoshop, or I could just not have the chair in the shot. Either way, we could just cut it out, or do the Alt key as well just to scroll it in. But either way, you could see how crisp the background is, and the green screen is working perfectly. Once again, this is Ram at Lancelot Video. If you have any questions, concerns, please like, subscribe, and talk to you soon.